Hello and welcome to an explanatory video about our app, ChitChat. We developed TCP/IP-based client-server application that allows multiple clients to chat with each other. We implemented the following design patterns: Proxy, Composite, Observers, State, Command, and Iterator. In this video, we will explain how we implemented some of the design patterns and present our application in action. Enjoy watching! First, we will explain about how we implemented the command design pattern. As required, each participant should be able to choose between sending a private direct message to a specific other participant or sending a message to all participants. We implemented this requirement with the help of command design pattern. The command design pattern is implemented using two classes, one-on-one chat command and global chat command, both implementing the command interface. In one-on-one chat command, the execute method checks if the recipient is online and sends the message to them. If the recipient is not found or is the same as the sender, an error message is sent. In global chat command, the execute method sets the chat room to the global chat room and broadcasts the message to all participants. By implementing this pattern, each command is encapsulated in a separate class, allowing easy addition of new commands in the future. Now, we will explain how we implemented the state design pattern. As required, the client's graphical user interface should have two states: connected and disconnected. The graphical user interface should look different in each one of these two states. Example given: when connected, the connect button should look disabled and the disconnect button should look enabled. So we implemented the state design pattern according to the example given. Now, let's jump into the code. The connection state interface serves as a contract that defines the common behavior for different connection states in the TCP/IP-based client-server application. The disconnected state class implements the connection state interface for the disconnected state. It handles the event of connecting to the server by validating input fields, creating a TCP client, and establishing a connection. It also handles the event of disconnecting from the server, although it does nothing in this case as the client is already disconnected. Additionally, it handles the event of sending a message by doing nothing since sending messages is not allowed in the disconnected state. The connected state class implements the connection state interface for the connected state. It handles the event of connecting to the server, but since the client is already connected, it does nothing in this case. It handles the event of disconnecting from the server by enabling the input fields, closing the connection, changing the state to disconnected, and updating button states. It also handles the event of sending a message by creating a message object, sending it through the TCP client, clearing the user input field, and rendering the message on the chat page. By having these two classes implement the connection state interface, the application can handle different states of the client's graphical user interface and perform appropriate actions based on the current state. And now, the moment we've been waiting for the most. Introducing the app. Yay! First, let's start by running the server to set up the chat environment. Now, we will launch two separate client applications simultaneously by executing their respective main files. After launching the clients, we will start the use of the app. First, we will enter unique names for each client and establish a connection to the server. Notice that the buttons we discussed earlier in the video reflect the connection state. For example, the connect button disabled once the client is connected. With both clients connected, we can now begin sending messages in the global chat, allowing all connected clients to view and interact with the conversation. Wow, that's a fantastic contribution. Your message is now visible to everyone in the chat. Now, let's switch to the private chat feature and send direct messages. This enables focused communication between specific clients. Excellent work! Your message has been successfully sent in the private chat. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching.